Hello lads, another video. This time we're doing this. Yes, all right. So the idea behind this is to obviously get the 2019 and up steering wheel replaced with the original, and I had to jump through some hoops, to be honest. I bought another one of these in eBay, right? The problem is my car comes with self-parking, autonomous driving, I think level 2 or something like that. I mean, basically you have to be here and monitor the car while it's driving itself, and it has lane assist. What that means, there's a few extra sensors in this steering wheel than this version. Well, basically, if you have a car newer with these settings and this steering wheel, sure, it's going to work, but I had a really hard time finding this style steering wheel to have the options that I have. I actually found someone in California that make custom wheels, and I gave him the specs of the car, the VIN number, and he got everything incorporated in this steering wheel that should be exactly the same as this one. And also, we wrapped it in Napa leather all around. It smells amazing. I got the 12 o'clock red stitching, red stripe there with some red stitching. And let's change it and see what happens, yeah? You know how it starts. Remove this cover and disconnect your battery. Right, battery disconnected. Again, this is the negative side. Obviously, it's easier to disconnect the negative sides, but remember not to let the negative cable touch the chassis or any other metal, because you'll still be grounded. Right, just use my screwdriver. It's a little bit actually too large to fit these holes in here. I don't know if you can see it, sorry for the glare, but it's right there. Poke in there. I'm sure you've seen this multiple times by now. And not just me, but a few hundred other people. And disconnect your airbag. Airbag is out. Now disconnect the rest of the electronics from the original steering wheel. Next, remove the 10mm bolts. Careful, because I had a couple of lads contacting me that they stripped this before. So yeah, right, new steering wheel is on. Put your 10mm nut back on. There you go. A couple of ugga-duggas later, it's on. And then let's plug in the electronics, or that's that. We need to snug it in, like so. Alright, and now let's get the new airbag. Airbag is loosely put in there, and then just push. There you go. That should be it. Not coming out. Let's see. Yep, all good. Now let's hook in the battery and hope that doesn't explode. It's like it would not. Alright, that's it. It's on. Now let's explore through some of the options. Let me turn off this. Let's see. So we can navigate through this little like touch sensor. Let's go to radio. Press to enter. Does the volume work? Yep. Yep, volume works. This will be the same. I'll be changing radio stations up and down. Home, back button. There you go. So this obviously doesn't do anything because I don't have the cruise controls. I don't know if I mentioned, but cruise control is back here as a lever. So there might be a way actually to retrofit that in the future. Honk works actually. It's very sensitive, believe it or not. and let's go for a test drive. Yeah, so far works good, no error messages yet, and let's see if actually the lane assist works or the vibrator works. Usually they would just vibrate somewhere around here sometimes, so let's give it a try. Yeah, oh, yeah. I don't know if you can hear it, but lane assist is working. The vibration motor is working. It's sweet. Let's see, volume. 1966. Yep. Make sure the scales are taken. That works. Yeah, that works too. I've got to familiarize myself with this thing, because I think cancel. See my favorites. If I press down, nothing. Mute works. Oh great, look at this fucker. Jesus Christ. Something annoying I'm already finding is if I'm turning down the volume, you barely touch this mouse track or whatever they call them. Yeah, it changes the settings there. But yeah, I'll play and see which buttons goes where now. And then yeah, I think it's mission succeeded with this one. All right, spank you guys later. Right. All right, on a final note, lads, the steering wheel that I purchased, perfect, absolutely perfect. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's just didn't have the vibration motor and the touch sensitivity for my car, so this is basically for any, I think, C class, S class, whatever you want, it will fit in, as long as you don't have the lane assist option and the self-driving option. This will work perfectly. It has a 12 o'clock strip in here and black stitching, so this will be up for sale in eBay. If anybody wants it, I'll share the link. Now this is the original one from my car, red stitching, and so the airbag will come with it and everything, and I'll most likely put this one for sale if someone wants it. There's one slight blemish on this one, and it's this little, it's not a scratch but it's an indent. It's from when it was in storage. It was leaning on this side, but probably this will come out with the sun when it heats up in the summer. And this what I was rocking before. Now this one is full Alcantara. I'm going to wash it and clean it as best as I can, and then actually this one came without the vibration motor, but I have it here. And what I've done in the past to make this one that didn't have vibration motor is actually I glued it in here, so I'm gonna clean that up. But if someone wants this one, I'll have it for sale as well, and if you want the one with the vibration motor, we can always mount it back and you can plug it in your own car. So yeah, that's all, lads. Once again, rocking the chunkless. It's very cold in Georgia, so yeah. So if anybody wants any of these, yeah, ping me directly and I'll create a eBay listing for this. This one already has an eBay listing. So yeah, see you lads, bye.